Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to update the Messenger app on your Android device. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your Messenger app is always up to date with the latest features and improvements. To get started, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tap on it to launch the store. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various options available to you. From the menu, select Manage Apps and Device to access the section where you can manage and update your installed apps. Under Updates Available, look for Messenger in the list of apps. Once you locate Messenger, tap on the Update button next to it to initiate the update process. By following these steps, you can easily update the Messenger app on your Android device. Keeping your Messenger app up to date ensures that you have access to the latest features and security enhancements. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you keep your Messenger app fresh and functional.